I use it every time I go to the doctor's office or see a medical professional. In a moment, you can find something you're looking for or to record.
The book provides an opportunity to provide much higher quality care. Certainly the world is becoming much more complicated in the medical sense, where people do see multiple physicians for different problems, and as much as physicians try to communicate clearly, sometimes information is lost in communicating between a specialist and your primary care physician. So my little book provides a great opportunity to keep track of those changes and why those changes were made, facilitating good communication between all your providers. It brings us back to what we really went into medicine to do, whether we're physicians or social workers or nurses. It really gives us the time to spend more quality time with the patient and less time just doing paperwork or searching for the information that we need in order to make decisions.
Well, I think if all the community agencies in Broome County can get on board with this book and their patients on board, what will be nice is we'll all have a central tool that we all know how it works and that we can refer to. And I think that will tie up some of the transitions from one level of healthcare to another. Hopefully would also prevent duplication of services. We certainly don't want to all be in there doing the same thing and tripping over one another when we all do have separate functions.